Hello everyone. It's time for all of us to understand a few things about coronavirus, the symptoms of it, and when is it when you really need to fear, and what precautions are to be taken. For most of us who feel weakness and जिसको लगता है कि बदन दर्द है या थकान सी हो गई है और आपको कोई मेजर सिम्टम्स नहीं है कोरोना के, but still you feel a little low, it's advisable for them to take normal medication at home and then observe their body for 1 or 2 days. If they start developing fever or any other severe symptoms like dry cough or difficulty in breathing, if you do not have symptoms, you probably do not have you do not have corona. But still, it is always advisable, once your immunity level has gone down, that means you need to energize your body again. So refill yourself, have good nutritious food, follow vegetarian diet preferably, and include vitamin C and the other things in your diet, and stabilize your body. Even if you're not infected, it's okay, but you can stabilize yourself and then get back, because when coronavirus is around, if your immunity is low, it is more likely to attack you than anybody else. So let us get it back to normal. Now, for those who got fever and cough and difficulty in breathing again would be a higher case, but if you have fever and cough और गले में थोड़ा सा दर्द जैसे लग रहा है आपको, then there's nothing to worry. It's just like your normal fever. Yes, 95% times if you go for a swab test, you will be tested positive for corona, but there is no need to panic. सबसे पहले तो आप एकदम टेस्ट की हाय मत लगाइए. There's absolutely no use. What if you're tested positive and not negative? Even if you're tested negative, the symptoms might show up after 4 days or 2 days. So you cannot relax because you still have fever. So you need to improve your immunity. And what if you're tested positive? Only thing you can do is, अगर आपको बुखार है, you can take paracetamol tablets based on your family doctor's advice and then treat for it. That is it, right? कोरोना का तो कोई इलाज कोई हॉस्पिटल में नहीं हो रहा है. At this point, it is very important for us to take care of ourselves. Isolate yourself immediately the day you have fever, even if it is 99.5 also. Please isolate yourself and recover. Some people recover in 2 to 3 days, some people recover in 7 to 8 days, some take a longer time. Not if it is more than 8 days, then yes, it is a thing to worry, but if it is less than 8 days, it's okay, you can recover. And then suppose you recover on the 7th day. Now from the 8th day, for next 14 days post this, that is total 21 days, 8th day to 21st day, isolate yourself, self quarantine yourself at home. Even though you are well, you need to stay indoors because you do not want this virus to spread to your neighbors or your family or anybody else. This disease does not cause a huge harm to most of us. Why it is a global pandemic is because its ability to spread fast. So let us ensure that we are not acting as their agents and we are not spreading this coronavirus. And keep a oximeter handy, that is being suggested by most doctors today. And if your blood saturation level reaches below 90, that means you need proper medical attention, and it's the time for start looking for beds. And if the beds are not available in the hospital, you can have an ideal ICU setup at home itself. Please get an oxygen cylinder, oxygen machine आती है, mask आता है, nozzles आता है. There are various ways wherein you can regain back your oxygen saturation level. And now treating with the patient is very important. The person who's taking care should be very cautious. Asymptomatic, you can simply go around in his room and then with your gloves on you can serve him and then move out by disposing your gloves. In the second and third cases where it's extremely high, and especially in the highest case, it's advisable कि you do not go in your regular dress. You have a gown like thing, like a PPE kit. You need not have a particular PPE kit. You can have a full covered a gown or maybe a raincoat kind of thing, जहाँ पे आपके पूरे कपड़े पूरा बदन ढका होना चाहिए, so that even if you touch any of the contaminated objects, तो वो वायरस आपको ना लगे. और एक चीज़ और ध्यान रखें दोस्तों, वायरस आपके स्किन के अंदर पेनिट्रेट नहीं होता. इफ़ यू आर टचिंग अ कोरोना पॉजिटिव पेशेंट, दैट मीन्स यू आर इन्फेक्टेड. नो. ये हाथ अगर आप किसी से कोरोना पॉजिटिव पेशेंट से आप हाथ भी मिलाते हो और उसके बाद में आप ये हाथ अपने चेहरे पे लेके जाओगे, नाक से, मुंह से, आँख से, यहाँ से वायरस एंटर कर सकता है आपके रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट में. आपके हाथ से टच करने से ये छूने वाली स्किन डिजीज़ नहीं है ये, जो आपको छूने से फैलेगी. इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखें. थोड़ा सा रिस्पॉन्सिबल रहे. द पेशेंट्स, द पीपल हु आर हैविंग इवन स्लाइटेस्ट फीवर, प्लीज़, आपका घर, दुकानदारी, जॉब, एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड, बट स्टिल वो सब चीज़ उतना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी नहीं है जितनी आपकी हेल्थ और आपकी फैमिली की हेल्थ ज़रूरी है. यू विल रिकवर, यू माइट रिकवर इन 2 days. आपकी इम्यूनिटी लेवल अच्छी होगी, आपकी बॉडी फाइट करने की एबिलिटी है उसके पास में, बट शायद आपकी मम्मी की या आपकी बेटी की या आपकी वाइफ की उतनी नहीं रहेगी, आपके हस्बैंड की उतनी नहीं रहेगी इम्यूनिटी. प्लीज़ डोंट पुट देम ऑन रिस्क. टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. Stay indoors as long as possible, and when you are moving out, ensure that you have mask on your face. मास्क आपके चेहरे पे हमेशा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक्सीडेंटली अभी आपसे बात करते करते भी कम से कम 2 बार मैंने अपने नाक को हाथ लगाया. नो, ये अगर आपके पास में नहीं है, दैट मीन्स आपके पास यू हैव वेरी हाई चांसेस, स्पेशली इन पब्लिक व्हेन यू आर गोइंग आउट, कंपलसरी है कि आपको मास्क रहना है, सो दैट आपका हाथ यहाँ नहीं लगे. और जब हाथ यहाँ नहीं लगेगा ये चेहरे पे, तो आपको वायरस कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएगा. ये हवा में उड़ के आपके पास में नहीं आता है. अफवाहों पे विश्वास ना करें. प्लीज़, वेन एवर यू आर रीडिंग एन आर्टिकल, गो टू द डायरेक्ट WHO वेबसाइट और थिंग्स लाइक दैट. डू नॉट फॉलो द न्यूज़ चैनल्स और पीपल हु आर कोटिंग एल्सवेयर. दे हैव देयर ओन इंटरप्रिटेशंस. वी ऑल आर एजुकेटेड इनफ. Let us ensure we read the right document and understand the right things. ऐसे ही आप betrayal mode में मत जाइए, and do not ignore the families who are infected with corona, because एक ना एक दिन ये बीमारी आपके घर में 100% आएगी. आप इससे बचे हुए नहीं रह सकते. So treat everyone the way you want to be treated. Please take care of yourself. Please take care of your neighbors and families, and be a responsible citizen.